Hi, I was talking about something related to Indian Railways. It is really a boon. It's quite cheap and very accessible. And the system is quite, you know, smooth also. But what is the problem? You know what? Everything cannot be managed by the government, but they can guide the people. But they are responsible to make rules and they can streamline things. They can do so many facilities in order to avoid many mishaps. And you know what? I made the complaints regarding the faulty doors, bathroom or the restroom doors. It wasn't working, and it was so awkward and it's so filthy. You know what? You can simply take the train. That's very, very cheap. But there are so many classes, of course. I used to travel in the sleeper class. It's not just my preference. There are many things related to it. First thing is the ladies compartment. It's not totally dedicated to uh, ladies, but there are 8 seats under ladies quota. You can book and you can travel if you are a solo traveler, or if if you are traveling without the male companion. That is the best choice, but that is available only in the sleeper class. It's not available in any other class. That is one big disadvantage, because they could revise and they could make some other changes, because nowadays many uh, you know ladies are traveling. Most of them are related to solo travelers. There are so many people traveling regarding business, regarding vacation, many things. So, if there is a possibility to book the ticket under ladies quota in some other class, that will be appreciated. Please try to understand one point, that it is quite cheap. We can simply get into uh, any class and we can travel, and that's not a big deal, right? But why it is so uh, tough for, what is the problem in that? That is related to cleanliness, that is related to the food. There are so many things. No, we cannot expect the government to manage each and everything. But we, as if you are a citizen, you must understand your rights as well as your duties. You need to keep the environment and all the public places neat and tidy. And that is the problem. Like, they really don't understand how to use the restrooms. And also, they simply allow the people, and I don't know who is making the contracts and all, because the food is very, very bad. I was trying to buy it in a, through online, and that's quite expensive. And also, I really don't know which one is the best and all. But there is an option, so I can appreciate that. And you are allowing people to sell food in the railway station, and the price wise, it's of course it is quite cheap, but no one is interested in cheap things. We need quality. We need something that is not going to affect our health, as well as providing a bit energy, because we are traveling, we have to move from one place to another place, we have to carry our luggages, and we cannot simply rely on, or we cannot simply uh, you know trust someone just because they have the badge or they are selling foods with uniforms. It's very pathetic. And I wanted to tell you that I can take the train to any place. I can go by train. I have no issues at all. But when it comes to food, it's the problem. Then we, just imagine there are 72 seats using the toilet, one toilet. And the journey time is 48 hours, means just imagine. It's not at all healthy when you think of the hygiene factor. It is not healthy. I can take the ride. I mean, I can go by train, but this is the problem. Like 72 people using one toilet. Both sides are there, but still, when you imagine one compartment and one restroom, or two, of course, it's they really have no idea about how to use it, and no one is having that kind of um, mentality, or they shy. They are really quite uh, you know they are very uh, illiterate. I cannot simply say that they are illiterate, but they really don't care about it. That's the problem. It's not about the education, but they really don't care about it. If someone is going to use it, you need to understand that. And no one is ready to talk about it also. Oh, what is the big deal? And who is going to talk about it? About using the restroom? Only the government can say that. They can only guide the people, because we are living in the age, but still the systems related to certain uh, facilities, I mean the facilities related to certain systems are quite outdated, and no one is ready to talk about it. Who is going to tell someone to flush the toilet? No one is going to do that. They are simply eating something and putting all the things down. It's quite dirty, quite filthy. It's too tough to step into anything related to the station or the train. It's too clumsy. People are working day and night, and I'm not blaming anyone related to the railways, but the people. They really don't care about anything. I just don't understand it. You are using it. It's yours. I mean, you are buying the ticket and you are going to use it. It's your responsibility. You must take care about it. Of course, I was going by train. I was choosing the sleeping class. Sleeper class. In When you talk about the sleeper class, the ladies compartment or bogie is there. So 8 seats are allocated for ladies. And there is no other option. I mean, I cannot book it in any other class. That is one thing. And if it is very short distance, I don't have to choose any other train. Any other class. It's fine. Only 5 hours, 5.5 hours. That's fine. I can get into the sleeper class and I can travel. There is no issue at all. If the duration is quite less, there will be no issue. But if it is more than 5 hours, if the journey is going to take more than 10 hours, 12 hours, imagine 48 hours and all. It will be very tough. It's going to affect your health, and also it's so clumsy and it's quite dirty, and no one is responsible other than the people, other than the passengers in the train, because the cleaners are coming and they are doing it in the staffs are doing their work, but people are not interested to care about anything. I don't know who is going to teach them, and after many years still the system is running in the same manner. My first long journey happened in 1991. 1991, as of my knowledge, 1 or 2. I'm not very sure. When you talk about this journey, the train journey, that time it was okay. Somehow we were able to book the tickets, and we did the reservation, and there was no issue at all. While coming back, we couldn't get it. So till Hyderabad we came. We have reached that place by train. Then from Hyderabad to Chennai we took the bus. Because of the cleanliness issues, it was quite tough for us. And I would like to tell you, and it's not changed. Many things changed. You see, all the things related to transport is changed, except the train journeys. Of course, there are so many trains, metro, and so many things are available right now, but it is not changed. The mindset of the people and the places, when you talk about the railway station or anything related to it, it's quite dirty. It's so stinky and congested, contaminated, and When we think of those things, I just can't do it. It's not about the age factor, but after, when you calculate the years, see 1991, 2001, 2021, eh, nearly 24 years when you talk about it, 25 years gone. After 25 years, the system is still running in the same manner. It's not because of the government, it's because of the people. I don't know why they are not able to change their minds, because in many aspects we have attained at the level that is related to the developed countries, right? We are still doing things like the third world developing. Still we are under in the same category, and that's the only thing bothering me. It shouldn't be, right? When you are able to use the technologies in many places, why don't we use the same technologies to guide people, to control them, to use the public places and also the transport in a very in a